Hi friends, this is Azadeen here from rakkamedia.com. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an image of Windows 10, 7 or 8 with full backup. Welcome back. As we all know, formatting or installing a new operating system is a hard task, and it consumes time and efforts, and sometimes you could not find the required drivers or softwares, which could be lost and will cost you money. That's why it is recommended that you always keep a safe image from your system in case you need it, or in case you want to refresh your operating system after a long period of using it. It may become laggy or slow, so it's better to back up your operating system after installing a fresh Windows. In today's video, we will bring you an exclusive tutorial in which we'll be showing you how to save time and efforts and give your machine a better performance and smooth operation. For all this, you're gonna need a small program which is offered by Symantec company, which is called the Ghost. All the links will be provided below the video, so check them in. This program will allow us to have a fresh copy of our local disk or the C disk with all the components, the softwares, and to take a clone from this system, whether you want to install it in a new PC or just to keep it in a safe place if you face any problems. So let's head on to work. First of all, you download the software from the links below. Next, right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Good, give it permission, yes. And voila, that's the program. Here you will have the choice to restore or to back up your system. Restore if you have already backed up system, then you can select it, but here we'll be selecting backup. Click on the next box. You can change the directory where you want to save this image, which comes on a GHO extension. Good, we click on save, a new window will appear, and here that's the directory where the new image will be saved. So here you can customize the name of the image if you have more than one image, to help you decide later when you back up. Good, so here we'll select this name, click on save. Already, if it already exists, then you will receive a message. Good, so I'll be using this name. Great. Next we click on save, and as you can see, the process has completed. And in order to back up your system, your computer needs to restart now. Yes, so we'll turn back when the computer restarts. So as you can see, the computer has booted and restarted, and we have a new screen in which the backup dashboard is highlighted, and you have information of the percentage of completion, the speed, how many megabytes have been copied remaining, and the time elapsed, and the time remaining to finish the task. So you need to wait until the bar finishes. Here we are almost 12% or 10%. The image will be compressed automatically, so we'll have approximately between 7 to 11 gigabytes depending on your system, whether it is Windows 7, 8 or 10. All you need to do now is just to keep the task on and do not turn off your computer. When it is finished, it will restart automatically. And here, as you can see, we are almost done, 95%, 99, and that's it. So the machine is restarting, and our system is turned on without any problems. And now we have the file required that you can use later for backup. And here is the file that we have backed up. Is, as we said, is larger, 15 gigabyte. It also depends on the number of programs which are installed in your system and the updates that you have injected into the machine. In order to back up, you just click on the program the same way. Good. So here, instead of backup that we have done before, now we'll be doing a restore. Just select restore, select the image that we have. Normally it has selected the image that he would find in the folder. Select the system that you will be where you want to install the new restore, and click on yes, and it will do the same, and then it restarts your system and you get the new system installed properly without any problems. And that's it. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Hope that was helpful. See you in coming tutorials. This is your host Izzeddin. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com
Bye for now. See you next video.